Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to learn how to prepare chicken recipe. Let's start. First, ingredients: 6 chicken thighs, salt and pepper, olive oil, butter, 1 chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of rice. Instructions: 1. Season the chicken. Season 6 chicken thighs with salt and pepper. 2. Fry the chicken. Fry the chicken in olive oil and butter until golden brown. 3. Sauté aromatics. In the same pan, fry 1 chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic, followed by 1 chopped tomato. Add spices and liquids. Add 2 tablespoons of paprika and 2 tablespoons of flour, then stir in 200 ml of tomato puree. Season with salt and pepper. 5. Simmer the chicken. Return the chicken to the pan, cover, and cook on low heat for 25 minutes, turning halfway. 6. Prepare the rice. Use 1 cup of rice, cover it with water, and add salt. Once boiling, cover and simmer for 10 minutes. 7. Finish the dish. Garnish the chicken with parsley and stir in 4 to 5 tablespoons of sour cream, cooking for a few more minutes.